The Language, Literacy and Communication AOLE is fundamental to the success of all learners across the curriculum. The experiences, skills and knowledge gained through this AOLE enable all learners to realise the four purposes. In particular, this AOLE develops ambitious, capable learners who can communicate effectively in both Welsh and English. This AOLE celebrates languages and cultures, embracing a bilingual Wales, bringing together Welsh, English and international languages for all. We want learners to be motivated and excited about learning languages. Four aspects have been identified as what matters in language, literacy and communication. These are learning about identity and culture and how these support language development. Developing the skills and knowledge needed by learners to receive language through listening and reading. Developing the skills and knowledge needed by learners to produce language through speaking and writing. And literature for all, which fires imagination and inspires creativity. Our ambition is that this AOLE will give all learners the roots and wings to succeed, the roots to build confidence and the wings to experience the world.